Hey everybody, it's Terry Mojo Johnson from Mojo Johnson Guitars. And what I'm bringing to you today, I'm going to take and start the making of another guitar. I'm using a top of an automotive air cleaner that I got at a local junkyard. I'm really looking forward to this. Hope you enjoy it. And I hope I don't break something like I did the last time. Stay tuned. Looking and looking. Wait. Is that what I see? There we go. Barely used. Look at that. Got myself the top of my guitar. There. Everybody, this is Terry Mojo Johnson from Mojo Johnson Guitars. This is where it comes to the fun part. You know, we've cut, we've made, we've put things together and taken them apart 100 times. And now it's the time to start unwrapping. We just finished painting, taking the tape off, and started assembly. Got a couple of pieces on the bench. I don't know how good you're going to be able to see, but I really, really like the way the paint job come out. we'll get some good pictures as we go through here. So anyways, hang tight. Let's start putting this thing together. Well, let's uncover this thing. It is the Mopar guitar is what I ended up naming it. It's got the little Dodge Ram on the top. It's got the cap for the engine oil filler on the motor. 426 is a Hemi motor that I'm dedicating this guitar to my brother. He was a big Hemi guy who passed. Windshield washer fluid. Of course, I got my beer caps on there for the volume tone controls. Also got a seat belt that actually still works. That's my guitar strap. Let's see what else we got on here. All right, let's move up to the headstock. There's the name of my Mojo Johnson guitars right there. And of course, you got to have an ignition key right off a Dodge product. And on the back, we got to put a New York State license plate, because you can't drive without a plate on it. You get tickets.
Hey everybody, my name's Terry Mojo Johnson from Mojo Johnson Guitars. You see me play on the Rachel Ray show with a guitar made from one of her frying pans. Billy Gibbons from ZZ Tops actually had one of my guitars in his hands. I made guitars out of plungers, shovels, and about everything else. I just finished up this guitar that I made out of an automotive air cleaner. I named this the Mopar guitar. Now, let's tear it up just a little bit here and hear how she sounds. Nothing beats a little ZZ Top right there. Again, this is Terry Mojo Johnson. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be doing a lot more videos making these guitars out of everything else. You're not going to believe it. See y'all the next time.